Welcome to Baker Oil Tools Introduction to Liner Systems. In this demonstration, you will learn about some of the basic equipment and techniques used in a typical liner installation. With the liner full of mud, pick up and slack off weights are recorded. The weight of the liner should be close to the calculated weight with the proper buoyancy factor applied. The liner will be run into the hole until the liner shoe reaches the previous casing shoe. Again, we verify that we can circulate and we record the pump pressure. This will ensure that the drill pipe, liner, and annulus are filled with clean mud and hydrostatically balanced. From this point forward, the liner will be running into the open hole, where all operations must be carried out as efficiently as possible. Pick up and slack off weights are determined, and the liner is run into the open hole. Bottom is located by observing a repeatable drop on the weight indicator. The liner is picked up off bottom, and the well bore is circulated clean to remove any cuttings from the annulus. At the surface, special equipment has been rigged up on top of the drill pipe, which will be used to perform important operations during the cement job. Because the hydraulic set liner hanger requires differential pressure to activate, we will drop a ball from surface to pressure up against. When the external handle is unlocked and rotated, the positive ball dropping sub will expel a setting ball into the ID of the drill pipe. The setting ball will be allowed to fall or may be pumped until it lands on the seat in the landing collar. As pressure is applied at the surface, the hydraulic cylinder of the hanger shears and strokes the slips upward until they contact the casing wall. As the weight of the liner is slacked off, the hanger slips transfer the loads to the previous casing string. The liner is now hung with the shoe several feet off bottom. The liner casing is in tension. To regain circulation, the setting ball is blown out by increasing surface pressure to shear the pins in the seat. Circulation is re-established, and the well is circulated until smooth and steady pump pressure is observed. With the liner hung, we are ready to release the drill pipe from the liner. The releasing operation will depend upon the type of setting tool used. The C2 liner setting tool releases by simply rotating the drill pipe to the right about 10 turns. Right-hand rotation disengages the float nut from a special carry-in thread profile in the body of the liner top packer. The drill pipe will now be picked up to verify that the setting tool is released. We expect to only see the weight of the drill pipe on the weight indicator, since the liner is now being supported by the liner hanger. We only pick up a couple of feet, as we do not want to activate our packer setting device yet. Once we have confirmed that the setting tool is released, we slack off and circulate to verify our pack-off integrity. We must slack off enough to overcome upward piston forces on the bottom of the pack-off. We are now ready to perform the cement job. The cementing company rigs up specialized blending equipment and pressure tests their pumps and surface lines. Once the cement is mixed and the properties are tested, it is pumped down the drill pipe and into the liner. At the surface, the cement is pumped through a cementing line into the TD swivel port. The cement flows around the pump-down plug, which is resting on a flapper inside of a sliding tube. When the required volume of cement has been pumped, the plug lock is turned, the tube drops, and the pump-down plug is forced out of the TD plug dropping head. The flag sub provides visual confirmation that the plug has been pumped down the drill pipe. The pump-down plug follows the cement downhole, wiping the drill pipe and separating the cement from the displacing fluid. As the pump-down plug nears the calculated displacement to the liner wiper plug, the pumping rate is reduced. A pressure increase may be seen when the pump-down plug latches into the liner wiper plug, and the plugs will shear off of the running tool assembly. Displacement continues as cement is pumped out the liner shoe and up the annulus. As the plugs near the landing collar, the pump rate will be slowed again, and the bump will be observed by the increase in pressure. When we are comfortable that the plugs are holding tightly, the pressure is bled off, and we check to see that there is no backflow through the float valves as the heavier cement tries to U-tube back inside the liner. Now that our cement is in place, we are ready to set the liner top packer. To do this, we will pick up the drill pipe, expose the spring-loaded dogs in the packer setting dog sub, and apply set-down weight of the drill pipe. When sufficient weight has been applied to shear the setting pins in the packer, compression will energize the seal element and engage the hold-down slips into the casing wall. The packer is now set and will provide an effective annular seal between our liner and the previous casing string. Before pulling the drill pipe and setting tools out of the hole, it is recommended that excess cement should be circulated out from the annulus above the liner top packer. First, the drill pipe is raised to remove the slick stinger from the drillable pack-off bushing. A light pressure test may be performed to verify that the liner top packer is sealing if desired. Since the pack-off is not sealing, Circulation at the liner top will remove excess cement from the drill pipe annulus above the packer. When the returns from the annulus are clean, circulation is stopped. And the running string is pulled from the hole. At surface, the setting tools are cleaned and their condition is checked before preparing them for return shipment to the district. The customer's well now has a newly cemented liner in place, hung off from the previous casing string and with an effective annular seal. It will be ready for production or drilling ahead after the cement sets up. This completes the demonstration of installing and running a liner system.